Hello students, welcome to Ashma Technology. This video is about 20 objective questions of artificial intelligence. Now, question number 1. What does AI stands for? Answer is C. Artificial intelligence. Question number 2. Which of these is an application of AI? Answer B. Self-driving cars. Question number 3. Who is known as the father of AI? Answer B. John McCarthy. Question number 4. Which AI technique is based on the human brain structure? Answer A. Neural networks. Question number 5. Which programming language is most commonly used for AI? Answer B. Python. Question number 6. What is machine learning? Answer B. Machines learning from data. Question number 7. Which company developed the AI assistant Siri? Answer D. Apple. What type of AI is capable of human-like tasks? Answer B. Strong AI. Which of these is an AI language model? Answer B. ChatGPT. What is deep learning? Answer B. A complex neural network model. Question number 11. Which field is not related to AI? Answer is D. Basket weaving. Rest of the fields are related to AI. Robotics, machine learning and data mining field are related to AI and basket weaving is not related to AI. Question number 12. Which AI game defeated a world chess champion? Answer is B. Deep Blue. Question number 13. What does NLP stands for in AI? Answer A. Natural language processing. Question number 14. Which AI defeated top player in the game Go? Answer is C. AlphaGo. Which company created Alexa? Answer C. Amazon. Question number 16. What is a chatbot? Answer is B. A virtual assistant that talks to users. Question number 17. Which AI system won Jeopardy? Here answer is B. Watson. Question number 18. What is the primary data type used in AI? Answer is C. Structured and unstructured data. Question number 19. Which AI is mainly rule based? Answer A. Expert system is rule based. Question number 20. What is bias in AI? Answer C. Skewed data or unfair outcome. Thanks for watching video.